my top one I feel like is going to surprise the crap out of everyone this week. But
Mm.
it really sucked me in, and it's my top one for this week is honey lemon soda. Oh, he's walking away.
Bro, that
You
thing hit
watched
hard.
it?
That thing hit hard this week.
It really
Woo!
was. Oh my God, I was
It's my
I
number
crying.
three.
watched it.
It's my
Oh
number
my
three. Yeah.
God.
Woo.
I watched it. I'm not gonna lie, that junk does not hit for me like it hits for y'all.
No.
I haven't talked about it in weeks because I'm just like I'm letting y'all enjoy it. I'm like I'm not gonna sit
Well,
on there happy.
it was just good, but there was just this episode
What's her name
alone.
annoys me the whole season. I'm like, bro,
Luca,
with the with the
the main
anxiety.
character.
I
I'm like,
I
bro,
remember I asked about
get
that. Like
over it.
the way
I'm
she
like,
acts and
but I was
everything. Like
behind for a couple weeks and then I
the
caught up.
bullying thing wasn't making sense to me.
Yeah,
Like
the bullying. I was literally like, get over it, bro. Like this is
yeah,
not something that I can relate with.